Wireframe Kit v3 is a large collection of responsive screen templates to kickstart any project. We've combined the functionality of sketch symbol overrides and a powerful plugin called Auto Layout to make wireframing quicker and more time efficient. This kit is complete with unique and fully scalable screen templates which are available in both mobile and tablet dimensions, so you can be sure that you'll have what you need for almost any project. In the next few videos, we'll go into a little more detail on a few things we've done to improve wireframing in Sketch. A big part of what makes Wireframe Kit v3 unique is a Sketch plugin called Auto Layout by Anima. Auto Layout is a tool that allows you to work on responsive interfaces directly within Sketch. It's quick to set up and makes working across different screen sizes for mobile, tablet, and web very easy. What we've done is incorporated Auto Layout's functionality into this kit and made it even quicker to build out responsive screens. Let me show you what I mean. Here's one of the screens that have already been set up with Auto Layout. So what I can do here is scale this artboard and watch everything update live. But more than that, with Auto Layout you can change the artboard size by device type. In this example, I'll select iPad Air. And since we just went from mobile to tablet, I want to work on the content cards a bit. So I'll go over to the layer panel, and what I can do here is select the bottommost card, duplicate it, and it's placed at the very bottom of the list. From there I can select the parent group right above, duplicate that, and create an additional column of cards. And if that's too uniform, I can select the image container within a card and vertically scale that. So as you can see, what would normally be a tedious task can be done in seconds. That's a quick look at what Auto Layout can do and how we've incorporated it into the kit. You can visit their website to learn more about it. Wireframe Kit v3 uses symbols and overrides in a way that makes it quick and easy to switch between icons, fills, borders, and more. Let's take the screen for example. I'd like to make a few changes to this action button. Once I select it, you'll see a number of options in the override menu. Let's make it round and also give it a solid fill. Now, let's change the icon and icon color. I can click on the icon dropdown and begin typing the name of an icon to highlight it. Then I'll hit enter to select it. This eliminates the need for scrolling and searching through long lists of items. From here, I'll change the icon size from large to medium. And all this was done without even leaving the override menu. Same applies to input fields. I can change the alignment of text, text color, or add an optional icon. I can also change the fill and border, same as with the button. Now, if you look in the symbol insert dropdown, you'll see the symbols that are set up with overrides at the top and a long list of override items below. You won't ever have to directly use these overrides as symbols, but they do have to remain in the top level to allow for search by text like you saw with the icon selection. And that's a quick look at how we've made use of overrides in Wireframe Kit v3. Here's an example of what Wireframe Kit v3 looks like in use. To start, let's replace the card content with an image. I'll drag and drop the image symbol and it snaps automatically within the card. Next, I'll work on the card element and give it a darker theme, starting from the image and moving on to the header and footer. With overrides, everything is provided conveniently in one place, so any changes are really straightforward and simple. Next, I'll move on to the rest of the interface, including the background and navigation bar. Icons can be selected by typing out the first couple letters of the icon name. Now I'll select the card group and duplicate it. Then I'll duplicate its parent group to create an additional column. From here, I'll select the image container in each card and resize it. The rest of the card elements will adjust accordingly. And that's a more in-depth look at Wireframe Kit v3.